Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? N plus O. No. Hit all. It all. Know it all. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our program. The man on my left came through with a great win on yesterday's show, picked up about $7,000 in prizes. He's back with us today. His name is David Smith. Welcome back, David.
Thank you.
You get to face this newcomer to our program. Please make her feel welcome. Her name is Molly Glynn. Hello, Molly Glynn. Are you Irish? With green eyes and reddish hair a bit. Are they green or blue?
Green.
Green, yeah. Where are you from?
I am originally from Connecticut, but I lived in Boston for 5 years, and I just came out here about 2 months ago.
Okay, good luck to you on our program today. We have, you'll have a great cheering section out here because I can see a lot of young ladies from the Auburndale Intermediate School who are working with us in our studio. And before I put the two of you to the test, I just want to remind you folks at home that next week, all of next week on Classic Concentration, Mother's Week. That's May 6th through May 10th, where we will have mothers and their sons, or mothers and their daughters, competing as teams on our program. Now, let's take a look over here, and we will show today's players one of the prizes.
A spectacular diamond cluster ring of 14-karat gold with 22 brilliant full-cut diamonds, 2.5 carat total weight, an exclusive design of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
Boy, now that looks good. Let's take a look on the board and see where we're hiding it. At number 14, a holiday in Las Vegas as well on the board in this game, Molly. And you pick first.
All right, let's see. I really like that diamond ring, so I'm going to try number 16.
Wall mirror.
Okay. Let's see if we can find the match for that wall mirror under number 24.
No, a deluxe carpet cleaner. David.
Okay, let's see if we can find a wild card at number 7.
Trash compactor.
Okay, and number 10.
No match. Gas barbecue. That trash compactor, by the way, is just a well-built guy with size 16 feet. He just comes in and smashes your garbage. Molly, you pick.
Okay, I'd still like that diamond ring. So, number 5, please.
5, huh? No,
Ooh.
Green take.
Ooh, let's see if we can find that take under number 11.
No, there's the gas barbecue. David.
Let's see, number 10.
Gas barbecue.
And find the Barbie at number 11.
The Barbie is at number 11. Yes, indeed. David Smith has made the match. And he gets a look at the puzzle as these two doors open up for him. Tut, 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 tut. Select again.
Okay, let's see, at number 3.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
And was that match at number 19?
No, that's a red take. Molly, where did you see the deluxe carpet cleaner?
I'm going to say number 20.
No, that's a wall mirror.
But let's see if we can find the match for the wall mirror at number 16.
Correctamente. Players tend to remember the number they start with on the program, and that's the one Molly selected first. 2 doors will open up for her benefit. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 23.
Trash compactor.
Oh, no. Number 6.
No. Pool table. David.
Was that trash compactor at number 7?
Yes.
And at number 23.
Right, there you go. Molly, you weren't that far off. 1 box, that's all. Please open it up for them. Go again.
Okay, let's see at number 24.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
And the match at number 3?
Deluxe carpet cleaner. You're doing well here, players. Let's see what happens. David, can you do anything with this? Try it again.
Yeah, let's open up the center at number 14.
Diamond ring.
Ah, yes. And the match, that was the opening. Let's see if we can find a wild card at 17.
There's a wild card. All right. Now, The other diamond ring right next door at number 15. Let's see what happens as we reveal these three pieces towards the middle of the puzzle.
Not yet.
Try it again.
Find another wild card under number 8.
Dining room.
I like that one. Let's see, a match under number 25.
Nope, hot air balloon ride. Molly.
Ooh, I like that hot air balloon ride. Let me see if I can find a match under number 4.
Las Vegas getaway.
I
you
want
like
to go
that
to
better?
Las Vegas.
All right.
Let's see if I can find that match under number 1.
No, that's the hot air balloon ride. David.
Okay, was that hot air balloon ride at number 25?
Correct.
And I'll be a Montgolfier brother at number 1.
You'll be a what? A Montgolfier brother. Hey, showing off knowledge there. Yes. That's all right. Open it up. Not many people would have known that about the Montgolfier brothers.
I just graduated, so.
Oh, good.
Let's
so
see
you
if
remember things.
What's behind number 19?
Red take.
And did we see one at number 5?
No, that's a green take. Molly, you're back in this.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Green take.
Number 5 for the match.
Green take.
Woo!
Ah, it's green. Like your eyes.
It's green.
Green for the Irish.
Okay.
Now, you don't have to grab anything now. You can wait, or you can do it to them.
I'm going to take the diamond ring.
The diamond ring. Pretty prize. Now, can you win the diamond ring? Can you solve the puzzle?
Let's see.
Big question.
Not yet.
Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 6.
Pool
I've already
table.
seen that. Okay, let's try number 18 for the match.
Wild card will work just for her benefit. The other pool table was right above it at number 13. 3 more panels opening up. Let's see what happens. Now, Molly, you and David went into this game making matches in the early stages without revealing any wild cards. And there is still one in play on the board. And it will help you because it's your turn to select.
Okay, let's see if we can find that wild card under number 2.
Red take.
Ooh, and the match for that is number 19.
Right. Well, now, what do you see that he has that you want?
You know, Alex, I've always wanted to go on a hot air balloon ride, so
All right.
I'm going to take that.
A good prize. Fun prize. 2 more panels opening up for Molly Glynn. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 21.
Dining room.
Let's see if the match for that is under number 9.
Wild card. Whoever had control of the board at this stage was bound to benefit by that wild card. The other dining room is at number 8. So those 3 doors will open, and we will show you 4 and 22, and that prize will go up in your column as well, Molly. Now, I want you to solve this puzzle.
Sorry.
Molly, hurry.
$1 million baby.
$1 million baby, she says. And she is right for great prize. Come on, let's go to the board. Watch your step.
Okay, mil, yawn plus yawn is million, doll plus R is dollar, bay plus B is baby for $1 million baby.
$1 million baby, and I bet you this young lady, Molly Glynn, feels like $1 million baby right now, having handed David his second strike. But you're going to Munich, Germany.
Yes.
And you've got prizes totaling close to $8,000, David, so congratulations and good luck to you.
It was fun.
Great. All right, Molly, let's hear about your winnings. Look over here and Gene will tell you. Go, Gene.
A hot air balloon ride, a wall mirror, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a wall mirror or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a pool table. The Olhausen Monarch features contemporary styling from hand-selected oak solids and veneers. The carefully engineered frame and rails along with the diamond-honed Italian slate will help provide professional play and years of family fun, and a dining room. Bassett's Country Living dining room set with two-tone finishes, practical and durable. Included in this versatile ensemble is a sideboard base and hutch, rectangular table and 4 ladder-back chairs furnished by Bassett, and a Las Vegas getaway. Woo! We'll fly you and a guest to Las Vegas, and you'll spend 6 nights at Bally's Casino Resort Las Vegas. Fun and excitement is yours with 6 first-class restaurants, 2 showrooms, and a 40-shop mall furnished by Bally's Casino Resort. And, of course, the lovely diamond ring. And, Molly, you have prizes worth, hold on to Alex, $10,168.
Well, you didn't hold on to me, Molly, so you don't get to keep them. We'll be back and try her out with the R round after this. All right, Molly, I want to see you win a brand new car.
Okay.
15 numbered squares for you. 35 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1 and 2.
No.
3 and 4.
No.
5 and 6.
No.
1 and 6.
No.
7 and 8.
No.
8 and 6.
No.
8 and 1.
That's it.
9 and 10.
No.
11 and 12.
No.
5 and 11.
No.
13 and 9.
Yep.
14 and 3.
Yep.
5 and 15.
Let me give you some advice. If you get up in the winner's circle again, don't say and. 3 and 7. That uses up a little bit of time, and time is very precious, as you know. Okay. However, you have won 10 Boy, is this impressive? $10,168 in just one game. And she's coming back to play again after this. Molly Glenn, folks, meet Dee Coleman, our new player on Concentration. Welcome aboard. We're going to get right into this one. I'll tell you the truth, I'm feeling a little tired right now, and I wish I could relax. Here's a perfect way to do it.
The Berkline Contemporary Rock-A-Lounger with deep pillow seat permits lounging, rocking, or full-length reclining in pleasurable comfort, furnished by Berkline. Alex.
I want to see Pokey move the chair like that. Let's show Dee and Molly where the recliners can be found. Number 2, $500 in the cash pot, 5 bonus car seconds, and a holiday in the Caribbean. In fact, it's one of those Caribbean barefoot cruises that we love so much. And Dee, you pick first.
I'd love to go on a barefoot cruise. Let's try lucky number 7.
Telescope.
I'd like to look at the stars. Let's go for a match or a wild card under number 25.
Cash pot, no match. Molly Glenn.
I want that cash pot, so let's see if I can find the match or wild card under number 10.
Wild card.
Woo! Number 25.
25 for the Bucks. The other cash pot on the board at the top line, number 3. 3 doors opening now. No? Go again.
Okay, number 5, please.
Red take.
And number 17.
Telescope, no match. D.
Number lucky 7 for that telescope.
Yes.
And for the match, number 17.
7 and 17 is a good combination. It adds up to 24. It also adds up to 2 doors opening. Try it again, D.
Okay, let's try for that Windjammer cruise under number 14.
Pearl necklace.
Pearl necklace. My wife would like that. Let's go for a match or wild card under number 16.
Recliners for 2. Molly?
Okay, I'd like those recliners, so let's try number 2.
2 it is.
And number 16 for the match.
16 works. Recliners for 2 go up there with the cash pot. And down here, the business is 2 doors opening. Try it again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 19.
Green take.
Ooh, number 1.
Car telephone, no match. D.
Okay, let's try for a match or a wild card under number 23.
Caribbean barefoot cruise.
I'd
there
love
you
to
go.
have that. Let's try for a wild card under number 21.
No, the bonus car seconds are there. Molly.
Okay, let's see if we can find some match for something. Under number 15.
Red take.
Ooh, I think I called that. And number 20.
No, but there's the wild card, so that's going to work in your benefit. The other red take on the board is at number 5, and as you can see, he's got a telescope, and that's it.
Okay, I'm going to hold on to that for a little while.
All righty. 3 panels in the same column, revealing what? No solution? D kind of sat up there. You notice he made a little grunt as if it's the kind of grunt that says, "Ooh, I just figured it out."
I think he's trying to psych me out.
All right, well, don't let him do that. Just make a match and keep control of this board.
Okay, let's see what's under number 14.
Pearl necklace.
We've seen that. Number 6.
Table tennis set. No match. D.
Let's see. I'd like a wild card under number 9.
Green take.
How about number 24 for the match?
Caribbean barefoot cruise. No match. Molly.
Okay, I want that cruise. So let's see number 23.
Right.
And number 24 for the match.
That's the match. What do you want to do with the take? You like telescopes? You like looking at stars? You want to save it?
I kind of like looking at the stars. I'll take the telescope.
You'll take the telescope. She's not going to be intimidated by our challenger, D. Coleman. Open these 2 panels on that bottom line. Oh. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 11. And number 4.
No. China dinnerware. D.
Okay, number 6, please. Table tennis set. Number 8 for the match.
Oh, no. Car telephone. Molly.
Okay, number 11.
Table tennis set.
And number 6.
That's right. Another match for you. No strikes against either player at the moment, ladies and gentlemen. 2 doors opening for Molly. Go again.
Okay, number 12.
Wild card.
And
Nothing bad is going to happen on this selection.
Let's try number 13.
Number 13, China dinnerware. We just saw that a moment ago in the top line at number 4. 3 panels opening for Molly Glynn. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Molly, you're going to have to be real fast because D thinks he can solve this. You can't ring in till the green light goes on. We'll start revealing with number 1. And D is in there like a shot.
Is the answer Mother Hubbard?
Mother Hubbard. Yep. You couldn't see it. Well, D will explain it. Come on, D, we'll go to the board and you get to break it down. Poor Molly has to consider all of these prizes that went for naught.
Okay, let's see. We've got the moth here, plus the ear of corn, and then you have the hub and the board. Mother Hubbard.
Mother Hubbard. Moth coming out of that lady's purse. Molly, really not a great loss for you because it gives you your first strike only, and that means you'll get to play again tomorrow. We will see you then.
Great.
D, no prizes in your column. How unfortunate. However, you'll remember last week we had a player win a car in 29 seconds. That could happen to you today. We'll find out when we come back. Have you learned anything watching the other contestants in the winner's circle?
Yeah.
Yeah? If you had to give yourself advice, what would it be?
Go for the car and win it.
Oh, okay. Makes sense to me. 15 numbered squares, 35 seconds on the clock. D, go for the car and win it.
Yes, sir. 1, 2,
No,
3, 4,
no,
5, 6,
no,
7, 8,
no,
7, 5,
no,
7, 6,
no,
4, 7,
no,
9, 11,
no,
4, 12,
no,
2, 12,
no,
13, 14,
no.
4, 14,
Right.
15, 2,
No.
8, 2.
Let me ask you again, D. If you had to give yourself advice on how to play this round, what would it be?
To try and win the car, but I was a little out of luck.
Well, you worked so quickly, and then you weren't lucky at all in making early matches, and that usually works against you. That's too bad. But that's all right. You're going to get to play again on our next show. Right now, we're going to go away for commercial break after we hear about another of our prizes. Dean, please.
Some of today's participants may receive Singer's 3-in-1 hand blender, 3 blades for chopping, whipping, and beating, 2 speeds, wall-mountable Singer. We'll be back to classic concentration in just a moment.
So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.